welcome to my blog. So, today we will be product reviewing this fire extinguisher that I bought from Lazada. Okay? So it seems it's very interesting to know if this is really effective at quenching the fire in case the car get caught up with fire. So let's try to test if it really quenches the fire. Okay? So we have here pieces of papers. So what we will do with these pieces of paper, we will set them in fire. Okay? So we have here this safety matches. I hope I don't know. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so now open this one. Okay, and then spray it to the fire. Let's see if it quenches fire. Okay, just set the foot on fire, so let's try to spray it. Okay, see, this thing here is really that effective at quenching the fire. Okay, so I would recommend this buying. Every car should have this fire extinguisher for safety purposes. Okay, because if you carry water in your car all the time, then the fuel efficiency of your car will be that poor. Because the car brings so much load. So I would recommend this buying. This is 500 ml fire extinguisher, so it's not that heavy to bring all the time. And I usually put it at the back, at the trunk, because, you know, to save space inside the car. So I would really recommend this buying. So if you have any comments, just comment down below, or suggestions. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and click the notification bell icon to get notified of future videos. And subscribe as well to this channel for more of videos. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.